Community activists and lawmakers rallied together to demand Weiss Hospital reopen, saying they're not going to let their only neighborhood hospital vanish without a fight.
Healthcare is a human right, people over profit.
Calls for action outside the shuttered doors of Weiss Hospital. A group of Uptown residents and elected officials saying the closure leaves a critical gap in healthcare access for the North Side's most vulnerable populations.
Like many Medicaid patients, I don't own a car, and I relied on public transit to get to doctor's appointments. The convenience and comprehensive care kept me coming to Weiss, even once I had a full-time job with health insurance.
The troubled medical facility that struggled with broken air conditioning earlier this summer closed 6 weeks ago after federal health officials found its corporate owner failed to comply with regulations. That decision cut off Medicare and Medicaid funding, effectively forcing the hospital to shut down. Community activists calling out the hospital's owner, Resilience Healthcare, and its CEO, Dr. Manoj Prasad.
How can we have an institution that swears that it is for the people and by the people come in and close its doors on the same people it swore to protect?
In a statement, Prasad said he's doing what he can to reopen Weiss Hospital, but that it was operating at a deficit and on the verge of closing when his company acquired it 3 years ago. Prasad says he has repeatedly appealed to lawmakers to make grants available to pay for essential repairs. State Senator Mike Simmons says the state is prepared to provide the hospital with $4 million in return for proof of how the money will be spent.
I can't tell you how many times we have sat in the hospital in meetings with Dr. Prasad and his wonderful staff to find out everything that they need to make this a state-of-the-art facility.
The deadline to appeal the termination letter from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid is Wednesday, September 24th. Prasad says he plans to appeal on time in hopes of reopening the hospital.